Send money with confidence worldwide using Apple Pay and Google Pay. Get the Remitty app.
Give me the beats. DJ MC H2.
Con tutti i nuovi filtri di ricerca di subito motore, trovi proprio l'auto che suoni.
Scegli la protezione H24 di
Scegli il video.
Quando il sistema rileva un'intrusione, la centrale operativa risponde entro 60 secondi.
Qui è Peller, stiamo allertando la vigilanza.
Per contrastare il furto in tempo reale, visita verisure.it.
E se ti dico Jeffer?
Un giorno di shopping con un panino veloce, un gonfiore.
E se ti dico Jeffer? Jeff.
Yes, ubiake DJ su the summer of Edo music.
Share the video.
get.
Maman ba me go we say. Only let's get one more here. Please. Just not put on a deal. So let me your chicken jump. I don't want to put that. I want to be here. What do we want to do? I'll come out. Too far. This is that case. You get what? You understand? Very important. It's all that we are. No, you have to my bedding. And I will see, I must greet you. And I will see no enegbe. God bless Inshallah. I must greet you. Away and do to the world. What? As I watch this broadcast pattern, let's talk. Yes. I know. Oh, yes, I'm on Babemme. We know that why you need to hear them. Don't well, we can my doyo. You know you take no way, some man. Two lots of Baba, who you know, and who you're bound to get away. You know why you need to hear me. Oh, Bamel, Edo. It's on that, yeah. It's on that, yeah. You know why you need to hear me. You're banging, Sanu. I say, you know why you need to hear me. That can say no, you know why you need to hear me. Oh, Bamel, Edo. That's my shop law. That's my shop law. I'm a point. I'm a point. I have whatever 14 years we are get to down. Abroad Live TV. I must greet you. I do my drink. I'm on young. All right, greetings to every one of you guys that are watching this broadcast. Let me end the music. We'll play music later. Because today to tomorrow is my day. You get to my point now. You get to my point now. I was still Umenwan went back door. Madam, show your location. Okay, let's have done this one. Let her go down. Let her go dance. Let her go dance for that one. All right, greetings to every one of you guys that are watching this broadcast who are most for national peace to reign. As you all know, this is Frank Victor, the Umenwan, the social media king, the social media Kubana, the social media O2 no one, the social media Enywa, the social media Akwobisi. Rumda a Ryan Osika Akwobisi, you rock by me, but my baba with this man. Just do my drink. How are you? What I must say. 12 days ago, I did a video You can see the poster on my back. Yes. Since we had to talk to this woman, no woman. Since we had to talk to her for this social media, for the things which they do for TikTok, we not align with the custom and tradition for our land. Many of our people who be social media TikTokers, presenters, whatever the names they call themselves, they'll climb up, they're going to insult me. I'm not going to blame you. You know why? Out of ignorance. When I believe within this JC life, and JC life within that, I believe everybody gets the monopoly to do anything when you like. But now go forget, say, you get the kind of shirt where you go wear, you will feel drink beer. You get the kind of shirt where you go wear, you go feel smoke cigar. You get the kind of shirt where you go wear, you don't go smoke cigar. You get the kind of office where you go enter, you go take drink. And you get the kind of office where you go enter, you don't go feel smoking bowl for that office. You understand? So you as a person within this life, or this world, or this, know yourself, know who you be, know where you are supposed to be found and where you are not supposed to be found. Yes. Know where they're supposed to see you, know where they're not supposed to see you, know what you're supposed to do and know what you're not supposed to do for this life where we do so. Especially when you carry power. When you carry power. Some people did this social media, did this life, not be social media, did this life. You know, go feel they see them anyhow. They're not be royalty. You understand? Not like a royalty when they give you power. When you get power, when you carry power, you're supposed to know where they're supposed to see you. Not be every place you see police. Not be every place you see soldiers. Soldiers know where they stay. They know where they stay. They know where they don't step their boundary. Not because they don't go there. Now because of the power where they carry. The uniform when they wear so. That uniform get limits. You get rules and regulations when they guide and protect that uniform. Now so police still be. You understand? When we say don't go bring shame and disgrace to your personality and to the entire body. Why they talk this thing? And because of this woman. The queen of our land. Some kind of things which she always do for TikTok for the past 3 years. When I was seeing me as an enemy to her, even me, I refuse to communicate with her. Because me, I believe, say, I never reached to communicate with her. But the way she did put herself for TikTok, they climb people platform, they talk that year. When I go watch 2 years ago when I come out for this woman, I can't give her sound warning, make it not come out for TikTok again. And behold, ever since, I don't see her say she climb for TikTok before the way she climb people for TikTok. Many of you now come and say, why I go to talk to her? Why I go talk to her like that? Who be me or Moswo? Why you go talk to our queen Eware? Queen Olori. You understand? Olori Nukbogene is the fourth wife. You understand? Okay. Behold, by the special grace of God Almighty and our ancestors, she enter house. When they see me constantly, they always come out, they show you most of the things which they do for TikTok. Because a rhyme of you get the word down here. A rhyme of you allow. You understand? Many of them way they call themselves Benin, sons and daughters of the land for this social media. Where they always protect our kingdom. Whenever anybody wants to throw to the kingdom, you know, they fall out for that person. You understand? Both outsiders and insiders. And they fall out for the person. Many of them fall out for me. Say because I talk to this woman. You understand? Some of the things were not the reason, not maybe the reason. So I fight not the fight, not maybe the fight. And they choose my fight and they fight wisely. And that's if I fight and they always succeed. My fight. You know why? People that have the same frequency with me, they feel not do this social media. They feel good this in the palace. They feel they're outside. They go observe. When I speak, they hear my word. They go reason now. They go no say, "Umenwan, uvion beji." When I go say, "Abi omoso," so go say, "Abi ogionba." You understand? If you love something, you go protect them in any way you know if you protect that thing. Because the love we get for the kingdom, that's why if we see say anything will come bring shame and disgrace to the kingdom, we go fight for them. You understand? We go fight for them. And you also know, Amaya in the movie Yoma, or Yero and Moa, or why Mama at Borubo. Now, this woman, she the one TikTok. Any little thing they go for palace, he go put on, he go post on. Anything, don't post. Anything, don't post. Since where I want this woman make her come up for life again. When she stop doing live TikTok. The next thing what she did do, now post. If then they do anything for palace, now this one they can post on. Now her page with those small women, girls, when she pack all over all those new Jay-Z, all those baddies girls. Jay-Z baddies girls, when she pass, when she be people they follow her. Follow what happen, pim, they don't post. Follow what happen, pim, they don't post. And no secret again for palace because of a woman. Worry. Any little thing, pim, they don't post. Okay, now look at the shame and disgrace where this one bring to the palace of our land, our great empire. Great empire of Benin Kingdom, one of the biggest kingdom in the whole world. Edo State. This woman embraced this kingdom with shame and disgrace on the 6th of March with Peller. If I say look at the read, it go long. I will post on my page, the young content creator. I'm gonna go read for there. The things we palace by themselves talk. This thing where they see on the system, don't be seen as story web blogger blog. So Insta blog, I blog this thing. Don't be seen as joko, na reality signed by the Benin Traditional Council, Frank Irabo. And as we talk so, most of those chiefs who we are with Peller, they have been sacked. Some are in prison, some were arrested, and some were sacked. So Frank come out. This thing happened, all of our keep quiet. I came out, bim. I see as this is an abomination. This is a disgrace. I can't talk him. Say this thing a bad habit. How can our queen, Peller, follow me now. Follow me now. Peller, follow me. I'll be following you. Peller, follow me. Hello. She be kicked out of the palace. 100% me, I support her. Me, I tell her 100% the palace get my support of this woman kicked out of the palace. She doesn't want to be a queen. She doesn't got art in that palace. It's getting out of hand. She's bringing shame and disgrace to the palace of her land. This new woman way. You understand? 100% I support the decision of the palace that she should be kicked out of the palace. She's going to create a loophole for the enemy of their lands to leak into the palace, to be humiliating the palace, bringing shame and disgrace to the palace. News don't carry NT don't carry news don't carry Let me say that this will not be fake news now. Confirm. Not many people don't send me these things since. That's the way I did life. If I did life, since I hear the crack joke, they to play game. And if they call me, I just did life. You understand? As they call the life bam, you don't forward all the pictures to me, everything. The news will come. I say, okay. Me, I'm not could carry news like that until since now it concern palace. That one a very short log. I need to get to the real facts. You understand? Until chiefs begin to forward that to me. Then I have to call. How truth is this? They say it's true. This is the news of today. And what did they go on with this one? Many people begin to the blogger. Not be charge play. That cage don't see work. This is from America. That was selling this from so. Traditional castle. Okay. Oh, Act of a National Peace Terrain. Oh God, oh God, oh God, oh God, oh God. There you go. Benin Palace. Staff arrested. Queen face remover over Peller unauthorized visit. Over Peller unauthorized visit. The Benin Traditional Council has condemned the unauthorized visit of the screamer Habib Aziz Adelaja, probably known aka Peller, to the Oba of Benin Palace, describing it as a serious breach of protocol and a description of a sacrilege institution. The council revealed that Peller gained access to the palace on March 6, 2026 without proper approval, causing embarrassment and disgrace to the palace of our kingdom, of the Benin kingdom. Grand. You get my point now? As part of the ongoing oh God, I know why they laugh. Ne do ya yo. My baba with this man, ne do ya yo. Mamuswo, ne do ya yo. Mamuswo na munigo, ne do ya yo. Mamuswo, ne do. Say when they talk this thing that day, say that this is a big disgrace and embarrassment to the palace. Now this woman give us the Benin. There's it like Queen Esther talk show came out on live broadcast. You know what? I know they blame that woman. Esther talk show, no blame her. Now her own mentality as a woman with the husband house. You understand? But she they abroad. She believes she they abroad. But if you they into tradition, if you know what is tradition, is very, very deep. It is very, very deep. That to see a queen of a land, they say, Bella, follow me. I'll be following Islam. Follow me now. Hello? I don't want to drink. I want you. The boy. That act was a very barbaric act, but it's shame and disgrace to Benin. I Peller, no, we are not follow when now. When you as a queen, there are a Peller have followers. Where is your yes now, pride, and based on who you be, the power who you be, who they with you, who you the control. You don't understand? That was a very big shame now. You know why this thing a really big shame? They could not demand a write up for me and not go block you now. My admin, where I get my platform. You know they wait me you write 2 times before I block you. Very wicked admin. My admin are very wicked admin. If you just see your comment and you don't remove you, it's up. You don't get help. You don't understand? You see, say I don't cost anybody for here. Some people do not cost me. I'm not the cost anybody now. Who cost me if you go use the ear carry the cost? You know why? Because now the truth now they talk. The truth where they talk so that leads to these things so that they see so. As they talk now, Peller has been invited to the palace with immediate alacrity. Peller never come. You understand? Peller, they don't find Peller, I mean Peller company. Sharp. They don't invite Peller company. Sharp. Don't be joke. This one will be funny things. This one will be funny. This one will be. They don't even invite. They don't even invite. They don't even go police hand. They look for Peller now. Police look for Peller to bring Peller straight to Benin, to the palace. Not be charge play. Not be chon. So man, I don't think say maybe I come here, come on live video, come and talk. You see, this all this while where they talk about this woman. You see, I don't bring her picture come out one day. No. I never bring her picture come out one day. Since we are talk about her. You don't send any picture come on. You just write this is me. If you don't send any picture come. Picture where people can send since how many days now. And now you write me. Fine boy. You understand? Since we had to talk about this woman, since all this while, I never bring her picture come out. And today, now her picture come out. So I don't carry her come out on newspaper. All blogs don't carry her come out. They couldn't for know the queen. We bring shame and disgrace to the palace. Where the palace want kick out of the palace. They want kick her out. You understand? She's going through a lot right now. You understand? So what do? Should we start pleading on our behalf? Or do you guys support the art for she to be kicked out of the palace? For her shenanigan art of inviting Peller to the palace without no. That is it. I don't understand. Oh, I don't want to talk. Oh. You understand? Carry Peller make on the screen for inside palace. Peller on the screen for inside palace, on the jump up and down for inside palace. Like monkey on the shot. That is it. Make I play the video for now. Make I play the video. Many of you now watch the video now. You got my point now. Moe Peller, do ya yo. Mo akobe no muniru, do ya. Will you follow me back? Yes, you see this particular spot of she gifting a little boy, Peller, our own personal frame. That's a taboo. If to send our papa frame, you give out. You are a married woman, not just a married woman, to the king of our land. Had the look at the laugh, yo. My wife really married for us, my wife. My wife no fit say he want gift person. Gifts. Go carry my own my own proof picture. Go the gift person. Not my own, not be your husband own. Not be other brooms from the palace. We get a lot of our forefathers' brooms. Lot of our father's brooms in the palace. You know, gift, Peller. Your own personal friend, picture. It just feel like guy that runs babe for online. Hello, sweetheart, send me your pics. you could go sell your peace. You understand? If you could do this publicly, that's a sacrilege. Do you understand? Do you know the meaning of that? Your own personal friend, you give Peller, a married woman. You understand? To the extent you go ahead, gift her perfume. Give the little boy perfume. A queen of a great kingdom. Man, I was like, what about shit? I said, what about shit? That is an error. It's a big slap to us. It's a big disgrace to the Beninese woman abroad. The real Beninese. But the children, I call the children, who don't know one, don't know two. They say, oh, it's not man, mama leave her. Peller, you know who be Peller. What you can make me that say? Some women call the talk, say, you know who be Peller. Hello? Who be Peller? This is know to speak English. I don't understand. You know who be Peller? Is it by having a 20 billion followers? Make you become somebody? Nalao. No, they get, some of people not get sense, so. I just look and say, now Yoruba for Peller for somebody, for Benin. Now Yoruba land. If you are not Yoruba, then you'll be somebody, don't for Benin. Because now they always celebrate which is not good for that side. They celebrate what's not good, what does square. You cannot see a Benin man they celebrate nuisance. Agbamaye nuisance. Benin people they flog with the constitution nuisance. Why Yoruba they celebrate nuisance? Peller and nuisance to Nigeria. Peller and nuisance to Nigeria. So people celebrating Peller, they celebrate nuisance. Understand? So the tradition, see what the queen did with Peller is a taboo to the land. It's a slap to the Beninese. It's an embarrassment, disgrace. That's what now what they write for you, not me right now. You understand? It's a big disgrace, a big shame and disgrace. That's what they say. The queen should be getting ready to be kicked out of the palace. Queen to be kicked out of the palace for allowing Peller cause embarrassment to the Benin kingdom. I don't mind drink. I want you. And mind you, the chief that was involved, the chief that was there, some of the chiefs were there, they all be treated well. They just sack all those chiefs where just they evolve. As Peller at the palace, the chiefs where they evolve, they don't wear them. One hand. They don't wear the police now, they don't want the police in the police station. As they open gate for Peller at the palace. All those chiefs that they don't carry the sit down for palace, they baba their head. I be to what I especially of the palace. You cannot invite a foreigner, someone else to the palace without not palace approve. If you understand what make this evil, what make this evil shock me say, palace not even approve Peller to come back. They don't approve suddenly we for palace. That means they don't know why they go around. Person will call drop bomb for palace. Now you see people give for them talking about celebrity being you see come to the palace. And Peller came to the palace was screaming. They scream, you know, TikTok what they do, they scream for palace. There are some secret places for palace who say, camera not even catch up. They jump on the palace. So the attitude that day, I am a so that is make una see what thing they go on. When I talk about this video, what Peller do, you know Aproko they bash me. Almost men no more but why the king of Oswald? Yes, see me why the Oswald. And then Oswald, if I want to be more the general overseer of Oswald. You know? You get my point now. So not be the same thing where I kick again, say the queen gave the Beninese a big shame and disgrace. So the embarrassment, the attitude that the queen they beg Peller say, follow me now. Hello, you will be queen for the kingdom, the great kingdom. But we beg, I Peller, my queen, I beg you, let me ask for please just follow me. Peller in, or he beg Peller, what a born shit. And don't reach like that. It's clear, peace day. But today, where we did? Now the announcement with this. Announcement with this. Now, Peller is wanted by the Benin. They don't involve the police to look for Peller and bring Peller to Benin. Because they don't send Peller a message to come to Benin. Peller not come. Now they don't take him further to the Benin. For the police to go bring Peller to Benin. It's sad. You know the chiefs that was involved. But allowing Peller to be continuing nuisance inside the palace. Inside the palace, you see something when they go home. Now the queen is about to be kicked out of the palace with this act of Peller inside the palace. But there I go. In the house, SEC. I talked this thing that day when this thing happened for palace. I bring a comment and I call it talk and say this is not a bad thing. This will not make sense. Benin Traditional Council should look into this issue. That was what I said. Benin Traditional Council should look into this issue. This is a very big embarrassment to the Benin, to our kingdom. This is a very big embarrassment. Okay, now these people are do this thing for TikTok. They climb people platform for TikTok. They talk for TikTok. Our queen, we don't see their mouth, bro. Queen where we know for Benin, we do kingdom, our kingdom. You know, that's why they use white handkerchief the cover mouth. I mean, yeah. But this one will go to with a smile. They do the laugh, go to sing, go to play music, go to dance, go to oh, come in, no, man, I don't understand, Baba. What's the young? What's going on here? I do my drink. I want young. What did happen? What's up, okay? Peace day. Hey, yeah, man. Everywhere good. So, let me start bringing people up one after the other. So if you come up, you talk. If you talk, you go down. You come down because a lot of people want to talk. A lot of people they send requests. One by one. Let's keep taking it one by one. One by one. Let's keep taking it one by one. Let me rush everybody up once. I greet you all with the pastor.
Umenwan.
You were do.
Wato ukbe.
Wato.
Egwa we need go wedo.
Baba is my domo.
What up, my bros?
Domo no one.
I must greet
Domo.
you.
I'll get you. Baba, what Baba na I contribute to you. Well, we are going to Peller. I will make a back at Agualere because you make a back at Barry me wedo. Mamma na young Barry me. I will make a back at Amweri. I will go I got the Peller. I will make a back at Amweri. Will make a back at Ajebor. Because I back at young Barry me. I got ye.
My brother Umenwan talk me. Omi ederi oni waye matana. Mu gwaye matana mara abubodu. E mani buna letro ona do take ma be work pa. Ina adam already me beg anywhere emi no sunuba e mata e uta. Emi ma kwekwe gbe o ha ma be mu na bu e mu ja na dan be ofo ma e we na gele to batafo. Understand? Agbona e pe o han ibe mu ma e ku ibe mu ma ni mi bi edo. We are when they do what tradition say, queen ori ma, aba mi e very on every time. E son eri mage, ere diawa. E woman ni okedo ba o tokedo ri oru e mama be ga kun.
Thank you.
Mama be ga kun ko oni one day.
That's true. What
akashifi wet pure wet all the junu mama bela ton one thing ana ni mai wa na ye social media mana wa do akani imagine ohwo no mo don self ohwo no mo don self o me ke no gun ase Okudo wodono meke no guase. Why come you hakere ogwenore queen. Wa kamo owo hakere we no follow we no lele we lele we ri.
Bella.
God bless you.
That's number one. They no what damn say. They no di mess we ona am picture re. Ona mu bi ohan. Ona mu picture re ona mu no ya. Forget a girlfriend me when me jena na a girlfriend me o na toast. O so am picture no am friend me no ma. Mu ya no age wo gwa. When me wa jena we gwa mu jana we aka mo wo kere we no me picture re me ni amudu wo gwa.
Ataya.
What ya ija the can ya keso nata.
Ataya.
Oda for ya do me picture wo kan bu ogun me bo kai.
Okay.
What does that? I mean, we what that we palace who are me picture who are view no one. Eh? Our we say palace na mu je kwa. Yes.
Iwe Baba with the smile who is a to who akbe. I tell you. Because I'm not a matter me like egbe o eto amegba no mafo but I mean we what na okpe make it come on that for na we kini na go bokamena because obi agwa me bekin kini ya go bokamena ya ga eri oboye bare na because ero that for ere diawa take nonsense oboka o ha pana te yoko vegani o imoto no la we dege ewa ko dege imu dokere o la dege umi wefo ni ewa je vegana o iwa ladia Isabo ewa republic iwa to da fun we obukan ba na hina awa wo kan no ina ije obukan ba na hina when ya ku efo mi are ta sini ya la he are we ra bije
I will you know what with Bella.
Obu one na kenan ijo but on kwa yegbani it's too much.
Hey, I agree to bros.
Yeah, bros. Me bros.
Okay, the first way na up there.
Any yak bomb me pono. Ese first way do you na up there.
Yeah, I'm 1 million.
Okay. Ni 1 million. Okay. Okay, it's only you 1 million.
Yeah, I'm never get on boy you go only you were.
Ya gbe li omo me bono o first me ya fi gbe.
Why now? I love you that for you all again.
When on ya kiss our every time. Okay, when on kiss every time kiss our.
Take kiss iwa kiss tongue to tongue. O what the one iwa kiss that for me. Man, oh me brother me here, me bosun go wa gbon eli. Okay, oni gbera ne baba em ni do tama we baba nu la wo madeye matana la baba wa takiri
baba Umenwan
understand when you are mute baba la when you are mute you are talking me ni la wo baba wa takiri ube were mo ruda babana mi dansun wo kiri mage esta wo kiri dia wa no diun sonerie the first wife oga adueki so no ya adueki ni merowa ina me very big restaurant for Asoro Lane so ijeme obie Sakpomba road ba multi ijeme obie ogbela ka ijeme kin so ijeme keke boy sonerie Esther owokere diawa no dion jobe omorije eyan vije me ga akin so imana mi anyokin bende beauty mana kie yana strike ijeme arie palace ya tu mayeme ijeme arie palace owe ni jima ige yin oni edemi o but I mean no kin no because e wo fun eba bende ijeme ni wa akin o says va gbado street ona akin o says so iga iri letter no ijeme ga mi letter ne then ijeme di letter ni me So later ni me giri say Agbado Street Ekonaki o says Omanori enwi na revise a manager babana ewo ni medova avianyo mene ikpane. But a TikTok magaro, a Facebook magaro, a YouTube magaro. Wago zeni jimani manaberi egbe ladian. We do we advertising. Do mini tanania. So working mana ije doyanare a queen ey la wogo baba odamesha kakabo we record nukbe ban o kakabo wa dame sugboloko but ima o anybody baba no do agu egwen ni ya platform we understand la wogo rame ni rame wa digwe no matter what so long we e baba or lori enya eweni o salobu manu give a lori enya eweni so do ate matana uta baba ma wonu eta but ore ne ma do yon du kuwana ni ado agwani ha area efile we efile ye kwa wono na kwa when anybody try when anybody damwege because but I can be meti kwefua baba buda erane kpeyin no bidonye I meti kwefua she's very young I do kwefua with means ede egbe ilo ye ko parokpa ite yawo
we are here telling now we are telling now utalegwa because what we might see letter we are letter the Gwagmene then you will not go and argue that letter with the palace.
Now you be for
so you a letter like Gwagmene what's happening for they go.
Okay. But then you want to paddle tier on every platform where
no. This place is today everybody.
Okay.
You
gotta rock power tabama and kwabuna kwefwa kware wera kwefa ba gwani ha
on pa gwani ya dam yo jima o wese inu mu dada na wa gba onya ta gun ya ro ye
wa pa ro ye
gire gwa era baba ga kwefwa e gwa we have right to talk to him because they na agbo egbon be gani o marie
we investigating e we
o marie na ọ̀họ́nà gbẹ̀gbọ̀n èmi ni gbẹ̀gbọ̀n lọ ọ̀mí náà èmi ni gbẹ̀gbọ̀n lọ
ọ̀mí náà
ọ̀rọ̀sán yìí mà.
Gbẹ̀nà gbọ̀nà ọ̀bí ẹ̀tọ́ wẹ̀.
Yes, ọ̀bí ẹ̀tọ́ pàtàkì rẹ̀ kì í.
Wọ́n kéré rẹ̀ tó.
Ọ̀bí akéré rẹ̀ tó. Gbogbo bá sọ̀dọ̀ ayé mà sọ̀dọ̀ ayé fọ́kẹ́ tìkì tìkì rẹ̀ tó.
Wọ́n yà fẹ́ sẹ́dọ̀ sẹ̀mọ́ ní jẹ́ ansa àmì ọ̀bí ẹ̀tọ́ mi hí ọ̀bí ọ̀pẹ̀laka ọ̀bí ẹ̀sẹ̀kọ̀bárò
Madam is okay. Okone kidogo.
Ezo muria, ezo mu ajima.
Kama wewe nige no water. We are neme mi atamugwe. We ni me ya obi edo e ki me ka tori me.
Oh no nya platform na baba dey smile. Oh no gwana, oh no.
Yeah, one of those. Baba dey smile.
Yes.
Udomosa. Me no me ogwana. We tell me oh ni me gegbe me.
Oh ni gwana.
Madam, where to do at here, but no piano.
Sister, when
Mama, where mwe dog we mwe kita move you down.
Because we man want to be rame equina temo
I can't really account no you fake account really account
everybody mute momo watala bian I will drop everybody but because I can't come up I go drop all of una why to talk why to talk why agwan no man no gwan on one don't come to my platform and tell me what to say and what not to say. Momo palace like you don't tell me why don't say that again in my platform. You understand? I send the argument straight from the palace. Don't tell me that what they did. One here type a platform of where I type platform of where I type platform of it. Level, you said that and this issue that I'm talking now is already on media. Oh, a platform now. Whatever not going now. This is Insta blog. And then got Insta blog. And then got NTA. And then got into this newspaper. Should I forward the newspaper to you? Ni post the newspaper like that. NTA, ni plug NTA no now. Why deceive you go to back and deceiving yourself. This woman was continuing nuisance with Peller 2 weeks ago. You guys kept mute.
Yes.
But today the palace has react. That is something not to me. Every general palace is there. Every general palace is there. Make this reaction. Then you come away. What?
Hey, say you men when go mute or that mute. Hey, say you
now. You come down. It's very simple. I will not sit down here allowing anybody to insult this woman. You understand? That will not happen on my platform. Anybody know here going anyhow, it drop a very simple. But the way I am one or boy of mail. Am I more young? This woman has been constituting nuisance for these TikToks for the past 3 years now. Why are they?
Yes.
One is not now. One boy invited up with who do the platform. When I don't pack the one a Sunday a great memory. Esther Diawa. None of what they when it's coming out on TV, a television. If you want to see her on television, she always cover her mouth with pure white handkerchief. And that's what we know our mothers for. Our mothers, that's what we know them for. Benin and iye-eki. When you matter about, or when you matter, that's true. Or do iye-eki no Wahala? Or iye-eki. You understand? What time? Was he selling Peller, Oludo, the TikTok, the social media, or the YouTube? YouTube will again. You understand? A civilization has not got to that extent that if no one can come here, they go. I don't want to show media. We will still have our own secret things in the palace. Yes, the church. It cannot go so there are some place you cannot step your foot into. A lot of church people cannot step into the altar of God. Altar pastor and many members cannot step there. The church. No, talk of palace royalty. Where there are traditional things now running privately. Then you just bust in Peller to the palace. I was on screen the palace. To the extent of what the Mary you were from another place. Do twin man, do 12 work, do 12 work. Or I gift in there, or I may a photo, I already marry you. A photo in your back, or your moon. Don't bow, by, and you think I will take it like it with her? What is she practicing? What's she trying to teach the young women out there as a mother? As a mother, if you see most of the women that was clapping for her, they were all adulterous women. The social media. But according to tradition, which is not supposed to do is an abomination to Lord. That is an error. They are not dealing with her alone now. The palace that was, the chiefs that was there, they are all been suspended from the palace as we speak now. Now you're gonna arrested. I invited Peller marry. Now they have sent police after Peller. You go in that way and I'm mulling. What do you know? It's a daily news now. I post any, I broadcast any. And they're not telling you in the woman in the Magba. The same people will not come up with saga moments of do you go there? And I can't say, okay, about if you don't give him up, you give him up. Can you want to get out how you wear it? Zanya. Why did I bring this matter out? Let me see some people that's okay. But behind me, Baba, maybe out of ignorance. Now, yeah, boy, let's see if we'll have some people, so by those who will start us, okay, let's join her, let's apologize to the palace, to the traditional council. Let's see if they can temper justice with mercy.
Okay.
That is my own motive of bringing her out today, this evening.
Okay, we'll see. Madam, beauty na my guafo, get ka guafo ne, or guafo ne wet to water. I got butter your no.
Water. So you can contribute.
No ya me ya woke broda. La wo. Obi e donate do mayahin, obi e Benin City. E do polo. But e Benin City no raw e mayahin. My coat na wuwa wala ho. Oni me nyaji wala wo.
Even on social media,
We may surprise by Umenwan carry with social media in a meal. We may surprise. Any ma wuwa agbinaji, any ma wuwa do akonji.
Nobody no bina yo will take a
mo wala ho. We kini ya. Wa me no ko je a. We no pe o bi ade ba me no ko so le me. Ah, me di o we a. O ko di o pe a. Me ma di o we ni a. O ko di o pe a. E me lo ko afion mese. O pe a o ye mo family name here. I respect men. Oh, wala wo.
Then we can see. Ime maye ya.
Ijima gimale gwa
okay,
la yima egbi jima ijino ofi egbi o yari no tapala egbi wo fi emi ga wa adade wa egun ayo oga iriane o adu agun ayo o we do different ege ne ri manya la dan ege ni ona temi oko na de gwa ege ni wo ki oludo okin na we ma o ege ni wo su amala dan wa gun ege ni
Aware oha elenere. No see mana Latin. Dame no ta ogun me asa we na.
Okay.
We no see any mana Latin. Broda me give ore na.
Yeah.
Tiriame aya mu akenzwa. Ido abieme do akenzwa upeku. Tiriame reja wa ya la peku. Tiriame wa okidiga ya la peku. We no see ni mana la dia do gun because iji magesta reja wa oga adweki. Only say we ma la dia we mitia. Ide ni onwo no muta. O ma la dia we mitia. Vene e queen ey ya la dia we mitia. Mother son, oh ya me ya one ni mana gun lao wala wo. Me do imi wa e ti do wa gbe na me do imi wa.
No ma e no te na no tana o makeke we no wie do pataki yi ma we kin aga mwemere we o en mare mana na yi ma we ko wana na e mare o menu ya yon o menu ya gun ayo o se ave danu e na riye o makeke de mi wa aria because eri ma la jan ve ni ona te mata na we o makeke no ko na la jan kun ludo wona ana ati ogun ba ogwegwagun wa vi la jan ve deri wa vi la jan ve nu we buye we wa ta wunu na eri mata na ata wa no wa e fi pe je wa le gun ayo wa ma gun ayo na o ido baba bi ko na ari gun ayo na wa we na e ko ta kere you understand ma we ri ona egwa ni ori ma ya no oni o saro banu poge bani ma ma mi no pa sun dagwa ni nobody na we do no pataki any ma him nobody no wo yo at all we defend him ma defend egwa ni mana beg we no ma dey nc egwa ni ma la dan ma ta
baba emewetia masa domosa emewetia baba mani we na ra obi edo tatata bana we na agun amemu owu ugbeso ene so yin wa zebu ma memu yan
mama obi do ta do kira ki ye
ta na obi edo yin me bere be voice ene but ene soro me zebu wa do zebu me I'm jealous why zebu me
okay
mama Emmanuel ebe gwan mama si na obi edo iro we me do wi okori omo ta e me wa ti e je mo wi won do wi edo pataki My high guamana si vieto mayawa.
Vieto mayawa hin. Oi wa no
We
juma.
your bame.
Okay.
We your bame kere.
Yes.
So,
Ifu wa ya fe.
come on, here.
Nigga gwa topic na wa ya buta. We no clear. Enye so na ya the doni. Beni makwana ni ya. Emani bo wa refu api ni ya gwa lo mani ya ti o back ya na we na kwana. A platform is so wa ro ni ya. Eya wa le different platform here. Gwa lo mani ya ti o ni ya adwiko asonso ni ya ti ni ya. Okay, even na ya na gwa kan kege ni ya de ni ya. On doit aller la janania. Bon, rien agir, n'a pas de métier, les news, il vista block, I was ashamed of myself. Bado bere, we me gwa. Ah, na iwa, il va te payer là. Awa mwe, et chief of pay, y'a police arrest chief of pay, suspend the enemy. When I see the news, il vista block, say you will be ashamed of yourself. My brother, you will be ashamed. Bon, I'm here when I sunu, man, if you don't know what kind. Amu dans les Facebook, les social media, il y a ouais, il y a berema ta, il y a un tiers blue, il y a un quoi le Kenyan un tiers black, il y a un tiers qui est différentes plateformes, il y a il y a et là il y a un quoi canania, nous même qui quoi topic na no do sunu na, ogbera 2-3 years ne no ke quoi kan. But there was nobody no very light of it where if you na quoi kana. E no kame e kwanima e donima yakere no e yamari yo imao yeah, the disgrace have come to reality now. It has come to reality. How can a whole Oba wife who invite of you can Mimi and Zegwa without the notice of the king?
Exactly.
Oh my God.
Now what's your first coming on?
Oh,
that was got him angry.
Oh God.
Provoke
anyone wadomo. Wadomo.
That's JP.
One of Africa. Otulegbaya. Teme wa yawa bota. First and foremost, we have a platform of planning we are lagbera bana we go with the team we serve bani. But you want to cabo wali platform of bet along the line where Otin Abu was as a way. So right now na Umenwan one who have
so
we say baba rio we ajime rio jinuwa. Omo pa ni onita o. Egwa ikegwa ni. Ọlọ́rọ̀ náà ìkẹ́gùn àìníwé náà máa ná kẹ́kọ̀ọ́ náà wá wá kí làwẹ̀. A máa kẹ́kọ̀ọ́ náà wá ẹ̀gbọ́n ẹ̀wà ìbìnà wá wà láwẹ̀rì yọ ni without a máa kẹ́kọ̀ọ́ nínú wá. Yes, eri máa hẹ́ àìtí yẹn wẹ́ èmi bùn ní eri máa àìtí yẹn wúwẹ́ ẹ̀gbọ́n àní nọ̀sùnú nìní nọ̀sùnú wúwẹ́ ẹ̀gbọ́n àní ni. But àwẹ̀ ènìgì wáwí gbà mọ́ ní irú wáwẹ̀ ẹ̀gbọ́n àní ni. Ní aláwọ̀ ní aláwọ̀ ǹdáwẹ̀ ẹ̀gbọ́n abáni ọ̀ gbòrìrì ọ̀rẹ́ ẹ̀dọ́ ọ̀ ẹ̀dọ́. Enigi ni wawe gbebe ni ana dona sunu veri ana beneri mama na he weni ado a isunya rema no jaye ibie ko do ya moke gwa no edo ni ya risunya no do aye e ko do a moke gwa no edo ni because owo ka super wewe we na ka e edo ya mi so all men or way enigi oke hunia ni ana la wani ni but eboni bunro wo edoni ni nana miewe ewo so igbinaro ezoro ye ni obowe gwa edene na amaye ke hunia awa be miewe obi amimi no be de yen go me go seme o yen go popular seme awa ake huegwa binana miewe iwie do ni waro no oni ani obowe gwa ni agbon be gwa ni amaye ke hunia awe ni gina wa fi were o enigi ni wa we gbe be ni ana wa fi were no wa do aka we evan social media o mo edugbo to wa ni esowu ni awe ni gini ni wana ọmọ edo ni gboto de babe okagele so abe niggas abe yute so ni awe yan ka boss kegwa yute so ni ka boss kegwa ni wa ila wuwo ogun ba na hin elado na riedo benu we ana we ka boss kegwa we egele we hin esoro na we mo boy na pa ni ha after from that palace ya riva we ya shoot a video shoot ya
Gabo.
my brother wage atabe na meje na
God bless you.
we awon we na lati awa hu benu menwa je na do atawe mi no keke we no sunu we gwa ado ka we na la do ekina na gbo mozu we na mi loro epe o akase wa ni ya ine dene wa vi ma igbe ma bi ni na aya alegwa hin na ya bi mera moto unless remena yegwa umodi akega ikweri bi amodi akerima amawe ikweri ihame obi oha kere we no ba follow me wage ate mata wage ate
God bless you.
wa domo
So
wa
God bless
to
you. Mr. Wato. Iko video pa. Na no soon no. I don't know soon. The video I did that day. You don't know what it do man. Boss mo ka boy da me we. You a video ni. Forget the issue on the comment section, that's not my problem. Then somebody called me from Benin. Almost you know, only the children now you are already the bank. Yeah, we video for nothing, man. Umamwe, when I go welcome back one. I will be like do. And I have no problem. And me I do. Yeah, don't feel good way. The better way. It was a man. It didn't brought you look at it. Again, I had to do. You may not feel good, you go a better way. You understand? Now, what happened? This was the video I did. Then the guy who that calling me and threatening me where near with Bilado, Omonzo, Omamwe. Okay.
Papa with a smile, don't come and blast Queen Owamagbe Ewaye,
A
the
blogger,
first
blogger,
wife
no.
of Oba Ewaye of Benin Kingdom, as she take a picture, they do gifts to TikToker Peller, and as she they come out for hookup program, they do contribution for TikTok, plus many other things where they go on make una watch.
She's paying for no one to talk, me, I will talk. Because I have one town, I'm at one town. A ma or one town. Now, this our queen, no woman be Ewaye, the queen of our kingdom, the first wife of our palace. First of all, 2 years ago, he has been on this TikTok. They sell Guguru, they sell Belaba, they sell Belebe, they sell what do they call it, Oludo, all those kind of things. They use that opportunity, they come up on TikTok, they go to do videos whereby the people who say they don't like the palace, they don't want the treatment of the palace. They go to say her, they use her as a point of contact to be humiliating the palace. Many of you when they this TikTok, una see us in a very good idea because when they get the person to say when they talk to our queen, now new era with this so, now new Jersey life with this so. You understand? When they forget that palace that we're talking about now, we're not talking about Jersey life. We're talking about tradition. Tradition. Because if we did Jersey life, we're not going to say adulterous is a sin. If we see if the Jersey life see they walk for that palace, adulterous not to be a sin. Adulterous not supposed to be a sin. Your wife you pay her bride price and sleep around your matrimonial home, not supposed to be a sin. And don't wear or walk or you understand? Okay, now this same woman came out on TikTok the other time, which I talk about, and thank God for the traditional council, and may God bless our palace, protect the palace. Ever since when I do that video, which a lot of my bash me for yet, oh, you're back, I feel like I have to go to festival, oh, you're back, all the stuff, and not give a F, most of the talk. The most important thing is she enter house. All those want to climb on a TikTok, we will see the wife of a king will climb on a TikTok, when they turn the talk, when they contribute. And what's going on here? You understand? You go climb TikTok, when they contribute for the nonsense what they do for TikTok, to the extent of when they do hook up, you go to climb TikTok, when they call the talk.
Il mio centro, la mia anima, mi ha lasciato.
Che cosa mi resta? Prima che l'età mi condanni a vivere soltanto di ricordi.
I speak for that issue. I kick against that issue, and by the special grace of God and our ancestors, she stopped that character. Right? Good. Now, when did they go on for palace? If you get issue for palace, for Benin, when I listen, when I share this video and I go somewhere and I will play the video for them. Family, our forefathers, our papa, our old fathers go there outside the palace. The palace. Who does that? Then an idiot, all these little content creators will come palace, they will open gates. Our queen will give this little boy called Peller. Imagine the insults whereby our queen doesn't give us.
Okay.
Our queen is not even begging Peller. Make Peller follow her for TikTok, for Instagram, for TikTok. For TikTok. Our queen doesn't go even beg Peller. Make Peller follow her for TikTok. Our forefathers, our every man, also in the community. In your road that way, I'm actually getting here. Peller, no man, yes, no boss was TikTok. No, you come here, you see the TikTok. You come here, oh yeah, you see. Peller does not have anything, any content is creating. Nothing tangible that is giving sense and speaking sense to the whole world. Peller will not come to palace. The chiefs will not open gates. Peller will not come out. Our queen will not welcome Peller. They carry your image as a gift. Perfume.
Nayara. Now, this was my reaction 2 weeks ago towards the attitude of our queen to Peller. Today, now the results. Now see so. The chief that opened the gate has been arrested. The police station right now to speak. The rest of that chief has been suspended from the palace. He has been expelled from the palace. You get my point now. Now, the queen in herself is under investigation. She should be kicked out of the palace or not. And that's why I said, okay, now, let's bring that up to social media. Since they don't bring up everything come out. Nicer as you see the sub, but since they don't bring up on social media, they don't announce some. The New Traditional Council, Frank Era, about already signed. Don't give her the news already. So there's no need of we hiding it again. It's already a breaking news to the whole media. You understand? So if you remember, I'm a mere don't know. You know the idea. You know where I go down baby. I'm a good young baby. You understand? I will still stand thinking. Now, what is our take on this social media? Now we get this platform. Now we will still make conclusions. Okay, this is our own idea. Just like what happened last time. That was last year. Concerning our mama, the senior woman. I only come out here to see. We plead with our king. Who be this woman I drop you. So they mute you, mute yourself, and they make noise. You understand? We plead with our father. So okay now. No loud. Whether good or bad, I'm gonna get a big boy. You understand? For me, to my own point of view, my own reasoning, we will plead with our father to temper justice with mercy towards our mother. You understand? She should temper justice with mercy. But the other way around, if you still look at number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4 times, which is the way to get this misconduct. This TikTok of a thing has become a problem. Because why? She's always surrounded with girls. If you check this our queen now, she's always surrounding herself with girls. All these body girls, all these Jay-Z body girls, she's surrounding herself with them. She will forget that she's a queen. Not just a queen mother. A mother of a great king. You understand? There are things you do. There are things you don't do. So now I'll leave the floor for my fellow Benin brothers. You understand? Why matter here? What?
Eni wa bota o ituwa. Wa beba o. Iyan baba. Ni memo bo bege bebe na. Uwe ugben soro. Osalo bo ni maike ofeno ke odun de yoto odo ki ori beka. Nínú máa wá àtọ̀ tí kò lọ wéta mẹ́ ìmì ẹ̀dẹ́ náà tẹ̀ máta ọmọ mi mọ́ iyọ̀ ìyíkó. Èmi náà sunúwe èmi rà bùgbé ikú àbùgbò ń wọ̀n mẹ́ àrùn àwò ọ̀rí bẹ̀rẹ̀ yìí. Because there is a lot of things na máa bẹ̀rẹ̀ ògbọ̀n so. Bí mẹ́wọ́n á dẹ̀bẹ̀ 1980 something bẹ̀rẹ̀ ni. Wẹ́ àyàn ńlá ègétẹ̀ gbà ní bẹ̀rẹ̀ ni. Olùrí ọ̀pá náà kà á mú wẹ́kẹ́ là géètì ní kẹ̀kàn. That is where get a way because that fear any or raw. So now, no you worry agwania. There is no respect, there is nothing. Oh yeah, na iwa oh yeah na bogi or maybe tied wa yeah ebu ngando ya kube gwani. E respect mo bogi ro those things na. So mi no igba wa understand ni. So ni maybe I give up with when my come to my TV beg walking because I went out water or what they know that or ye. And now why when you tell my tabana, okay, madam. So what I see, or man, erima, every American. Never be over here. So Saroba no get to no pay back more. Over here, or mammy, no what. Me wa love a baba to boy car ball love but some kind things me so no ni ma bege na any man because e kwa enia iyere ba we be so bi yekinye okeke o ya ba yin won ya so mi no igba so we no mu pa mwere ka bo no gba okoto e baba talk pe we no gba okoto no check ma na ke awe anything ne ma aka wa bege ne because most of people they are not happy won ya. So, because a palace is a barbarian man is like our God. You get me, you dead do. So, a care, I mean, be a canon and may make a win. Adwamu adwazo we palace. Motor or motor are a head Eugene. Or Manawake, come here, that woman go. I'm your name go. Aboyabe. I know you take by what in it. No, ya or pa or yagwa the so kaba wa the so when I do famous in social media so that is what I see. So now there is no me I call young one because no I got what me I will not want bana but then I do I like a very weapon so in me beg any yahini when what
offer I must greet you. You don't bring me brother. But the way I want out, I'm want out. You and I cool, I talk by you. Mama, cool.
Don't man, ya mo yate mo me fo.
Oh, so don't
E man ya de gbe mo me oduku ne.
Oh, oduku.
Me te wule abe yan ni e piwe ya wa fune fo. Ime ya azu gbegbe je te Joshua me na ya azu gbegbe BECKY osa. O ko pana ikamamere o de gbe mu me oduku. O ri me de gbe do ya en mu me oduku. Me wa ya azu gbegbe BECKY osa ina ugure ibe guyu menwa urure na. Umenwa agbe won na. Me mere ko mu me oduku. Emi ni kayeta eyi kaye beta la wo baba. So long where o salobu manu pogeva olobi enya egweni ma kia gwegwa ma igwegwa with due respect immediate and when we are young she's a young wife owo kanu iye we no na imare eri ma yen dieme o yen yo ni ya dieme but
you well know
ije menye ikina so ja ije mekwa ewa eme no ge nigo obi ekene mbajo ora debu moti ana o tuga tanpege ọba tọpẹ ìfẹ́ ọba Eni kawoya we waba o. Uga togbeje. Eni kawoya we waba o. Uga togbeje. Era mi umenwa. Semena kere nuwe were mao. Semena kere nuwe we. Mao la wo. Ishi mana. E mata no we e dokpa online platform me dokpa. Ori la ite mata ito ogi. Online platform me dokpa. Bo biaso. Ba son. Bo biaso. Avanga no egbo eyan rupo we tell you na. She's lonely on the live platform. Why kota? So ije me no wa pa gbe.
Yemeyan we we ma we couple bedro.
Uwe.
We ma we couple bedro.
Ima mewe ukopo tete meki na mewe ukopo. Omo ye to we ukopo.
The topic we ga gun kan na you dugun.
A topic Idenokpokwo no kosani koka. That was 12 on the 14th of April. On the 14th of February. Ina agwankan emi denokpokwo. When oye gbeze se. When koka useya yeye oya anyodukun. Ona do tami ma we ikoka rene vege ewa the second. Ige when ewa the second be serinya he. When agbahe yage yeye there is nothing.
Abi ewa the first.
No, ewa the second.
The second runner.
Tana ni the second or dafin. Iye na do tami ma we o dafin be serinya he. Owe ebaba odafinye oseri kokaene no be ya laona.
Okay.
Yes, odota. Omateme ukopu. Omateme gukop, ukop, nodoko, blah blah ko, zozokop, omaterokpa.
That's nice.
Omaterokpa. But no tama me na kakaba do toshi me. Owe rubi e kabe media. Awe rudaye lada e media. Awe meso we digo ni dualo. Ni ana aladu yena ahi oludo. Ni ana ahi miho. Awe emine yen like ni busy. Awe because awe iyan ladian. Ina be no ina wijima. Na 14th of February. Diden. Uwe mi yan fi moto yo fi moto re because obi o ka dehin. Ona wi yan ladian. So yen ma bege. So wa be do no pa we. So long we me ma emion e bo we ukopu de. I ma emion. But emion ne bo ga bata de business oge. So wa be do jo ere. Gene de na rijena. Rijena. Gene de abero bakon. Abero bakon. But e baba no rona. Abere akon. So and the baba is aware. Is aware where owu kan yini.
But you are a suspect.
Me do go be a suspect we be fi.
Who was ya kibawa?
Yes. But era me no oba no pogeva. He was here oya doba remeti me gboru ijo ijebe. Oba wari me wa divorceable ogbon ibabo like bogbe. Iwa ya mare baba. For me to marry baba me ga go me meni.
Obona ko
Oba wa me ya sweni. Iwe oba he we ya sweni e. O gawe hin. Senoru egbe ya wa fo. Oba na he we ya sweni e. Oba wa do tie me. Aiku wa no bejo ade do marry me. Iba bola bo egbe wa mo bofu wa kan bo ma me ma zuo. Imufu a bono do gbofora me bono na ya gboda for me for be na. O we UK no do gbofora. But the matter of
that means since we're in Ebola, we're there every border boburame. That means we're there boburame then. I think when me invest were no one with him. Koko no riri of your body. So, or no gile when we do, or you do. Since we're ready and never able, or do bovorame, or ye UK or ma UK, but I got ye gualemi for me 7 where ye near ye me if you're like that means or bobo. So, Uruso are not de by a book bedo, egui, and what I need. Egui ma. But of a truth, the traditional. Where's mama?
Igadole lo mane ina do mare oviedo ina gingle pepper soup na nwo ona fi wa mu go me toni rima ilele ponia we bia kulele po
Nogi
eli no rebejo ole pepper soup na bra David nia ogbefoa ofo en ware oni walakia
Iviedo ni poniyo iviedo iya wale pepe soup ile ma
ole saga we wa
so ya check iviedo when we not see him although you no me we umalele bo seti we mi agbon we wa se we bo ivie we mani wa on iviedo egbe wa
baso donia baso opono lele bo wa mi memana tamu we ba
ya so wa eni ma eni we bori ma
we no see any bona lele bo ira o ne bo ni alele no make na hu and ebe so ma hu eso ke mi e ba ni ono see e le bona lele bo
Umenwan la re nyate pa yo no are ma biteme. Okay, Mr. JP la mujasa. Umenwan umebe e mate pela na that suno. A lot of those saw a lot of wrongdoings. I think you were one of the people. You know, they all came out to say this is not right. And that's now where you are no organo, but it's not right.
It's not right.
It's not right. If you're by my yakin, I watched that video. It was very annoying. I what's going on?
Well, I'll be queen, brother. I will be queen, brother.
What is this? At least what got your iconic bima. They mean a Peller Nigeria and now acknowledge the Peller. What has it done? What has it done? Don't that work created content here give a lion with TikTok? Is that not the reason why Peller will just go anywhere and disintegrate, decide, the rules and regulation of that place because of what I give the lion with TikTok here? What are we doing? Mama Rimano Guaba. Before I carry a son, let's say Nakeri Ohaba like what, for example. A little on a hammer. I will coach even a coach school. Giving our one, giving now, giving getting it to West American, where master was told that name a cannot do when you be cool because now we know Magba, Egwa here, oh yeah, I thought of your
If you did wrong, you also, pay the consequences for what you did wrong. These are the reason why they educate these people before they bring them in. So why are you not keeping to that, education that you were being given before coming to the palace? Maybe one day, Nani, I really ma warila si yipalo bania. You are portable sinwa. But I even portable,
Oh, God bless you. We're not clap for you.
What is going on? I mean, irrespective of who is involved, let us say it, yata, so that making not correcting wrongdoings. Saying it, saying things that is not wrong, that is not right, does not actually mean you are against that person. You are actually correcting that wrongdoing so that the way or normally you take advantage of a being video. These are the reason why people always speak whenever they see wrongdoings. So maybe with dislike dislike any platform so where anything wrong, I hope you made the press release in our way. Yes, there are a lot of wrongdoings, So let us be guided, irrespective of Simabo. Let us be guided. That's my submission, no.
Mary Kere Teddy Cake Bars, ever cone here. Umenwan, I talk by where any sort no solo ni medege wa ataya godayo no. Awa we godayo no, awe my necessity do not this year we be on godayo no. Wa kan wa ba duki suta, wa me duki. Uda no ma we mata na open we keta wa ataya ni o na do you know e be ataban. Owe ọma wa mie ame wa bera
yeah
ohu ohiri mana ye ti toko hona yo unu hona ya tekinobi e ban e mata yo nu to tell you where even agele dege e mata gele no and which is very bad. O mata oba de oba you know etawe nyede oni uji no ri magbe
exactly.
We to put when I'm way, a baby magboto, when I'm wearing magboto, no, my way. Here, my way, a boy, Nigeria, no let palace in that. Make you get him no, Hannah, or Kamagbe. Or why the palace was, so can I say, you think? A my coach, say, who sacrament? Come on, a parallel to Betty, and one you, a Marco Kewa. Even the appearance, when I'm bamu o kana to oba igo mueri amako keto yewe capitano amata gelano maybe capital geleno yo yanyi so ni ori wauta kwa ya we say not the yo kwari yo kere wa tie bone
waya anyway wadomo sa ideni tekere je matana wa mi no sunu concern a video so ni ma ge concern Peller ni ọ̀gá ọ̀bẹ do pàtàkì ọdún ẹ̀kìnní tí yẹn fin rabi jẹ́ yẹn fi hàn oyè ọ̀pá ní rabi jẹ́ azẹ́ mi ọ̀pá ní azẹ́ bẹ̀ gbà bá bí yẹn kàn mọ̀ bí ọ̀hán ni wẹ́ iye náà àjọ wẹ́ kan ọ̀nà tùlẹ̀ mu ọ̀nà àárí owó ẹjọ́ ọ̀nà àárí owó ẹjì the frame of the tí ọ̀nà àárí owó kan èmi ní ìwà àfihàn ọ̀gá ẹ̀ lajà mystery ọ̀wẹ́ ó lé Peller ọ̀pá ọ̀ẹ́rì owó kan mi náà sẹ́tẹ̀ ìdídẹ́ ìbí ẹ̀dọ̀ parọ́ náà ẹ̀rì owó kan. Okay, cannot say ni ever.
On your grave.
Okay, okay, we investigator.
O maseva.
Maseva. A grave de wa your bag. A grave de your bag. A your bag. A grave de. Oh, we palace.
They were anything. Because my mother called
he did there Aburo me junction bona laye ugbowo a junction between Oba Market police station and that's a provincial complex Eruwegwa
I investigated the Eruwegwa so everybody was some boss on the other way around you saw a trust on Maclear you understand
why who before then Peller here doni then Peller here doni we are check una check ibie do ya fefe wa mi we e mata soro no rebe derio be denederio abe ni wa ya fe ya ribai I kama we ibie do soro no re gwa be denedo me ati tamu we ibie do soro no re gwa be denederio do kweseto issue do we mi ya fe amake kunia but e Peller re yana ke kunia ona la wana siri ibie do ni lawa to beg ona osna city there's no way there's no day ne matari palace e dokparo e guadivie awa there's no day ne matari palace me aga mu we ivie do ware ba be do no wa no wala palace o be me pataki no ota amaki e ku ni na be de dere but a Peller no we o ka kerere anaki e ku anaki abe shifini any was na wa sack ada dem we aye station wa sack direct straight
let me
ahead
start we
because
gwa
emi ni awo te do e ma ada dem ma ye
uto gwa po ne baba
you
wa
beg
te
a life
nuta
now yes yes
ni te nuta ni ai gwa fo ma no gwa fo sa ba di ma egu obege a life na tam o se ni na ka temo pa bana we emi yeke because oni no ma we obioro here do odo home o moto emi ma ase na dane ada ha ino na ne so american na ilabo boss ni na teme na it's just this ni me wa mu yori onsi e ba we do imu eladia now ubege ege no pe baba e babi man no karo before obi asunu le go abe mana ihe mu dia yunuro ihe ga we mi na mi we e ba ba ahia ya mi de weta do bo mi ama ona mi o me be na ya gbe letter so a letter so ayi di ege baba de o me ni adoge o ige bi ya ni odo gbegbe yugwe na ka we ogun we egbe ni to ta no dogun a because ye mi obo ge baba so umamie e mani doga egwa ni iya ti ka we emi dan eyan o ewini yan yi they are doing their job but sometimes umamie nuwe tabana no cause any emobi okana o ma say okay now o ma be no okay then iya mo ba be according to iya mo bi yan o yi ni are no bi yan me ma sure de be yan are yi no bi yan o be ne o ba ya irrespect yan me ma sure di mamu awa mi bi edo oh we no you were there you gbe kan kere oye ne hawe to we ayan won ya bet ja wa mi won be ware ban na ma e de gbo wa fi motor pare we no wa fi to ta de gbo ni wa fi one kind big motor na me wa gbode about 3 million we can no 3 billion or 300 million we can no sunu a mi oni ya eze you we o se nu yi na gwima o mama gba ni maro pa be do ni no te ma te ka ta ban we e mi pon yo yiko let's jemi ma jema emi ma ni ma me jema dana adu yi negbi ma e ma be no ro if you ave bande ni ma he we de yan ro yan bege we they will be happy where in na gebe ni ya nye e no sunu wo gwana obe sunu be we bona abi wa bege osunu I make an sunu because me me no se bona one. So this is what is happening. Na go mwe na la dia no cause na mo bi ohana. Ona e de se ona mai obi menu poge a otu opa yan ye. He got on na. What is very wrong. Na ga mutule mu yo tule mu de do ledian ado be tota obi ohana kire o we mwe agba do gele mu pa mu ne yage ana we na like court or na every day e no cause any government. E government are ba we am obi ohana ria. Cause o may say na mu wa lega ke no ma ke oje ne maybe be egwani is short I don't know sometimes let's speak the truth so hey wa no baba e me nuta ba ezuze yina wa to wa pe ni wan
ebi ami sistema palo kwamba eni wa domo mami we awo fe no rowa awo ha me no ro we ira when you kata say ri ide to start with abigeli ni mego ni bon yan wa re do ni giaka se gbe governor ri mason hena or maybe gata na azuze yo no temo amu veneri maje baba egwi ina so ni we platform ina baba egwi veneri mai jini na Mr. Tony Kabaka ina winri Oni of Ife.
Ejawala uwe veni raji eti irima kabaka mese no biwe wabe kabaka uwe veni raji egwu ye jawan uwe veni raji meti wo ba wan atunu ye kabaka egwu
we
wo
wa go
wa
me wa ma be mi aso ni wa we ne egbe o na so ni we na gbe wa go me teme o we be ne rugwe je eri me kabaka obi me
ala we ala okie ma ma be say no be me ma understand but uji no ma understand no ma be no uji na when you
deserve what you not deserve what you me do not ya deserve
o ma baba o se baba ni ya ta na ni na so ni
Wala wa ge gwan e ori on we ya ri to ge wala wa ge tu me ya mi ami me no ta wala ni wan.
When you je na maybe okbeni ko maybe ni ari palace of Oni of Ife amaye ko yo amawe to ya jump we palace of oni na kabolu for maybe obi Yoruba bu no he kenya ye mi edene na we palace yan amaye ko yo oni na be bolu for then ave ni geso ye ruwe gwa wani no we ya we gbe girl Oni of Ife or maybe oba ni bun hotel e worry we ya fe ya my mi awa ma wetin ya jumping we gwa wani o ma bege emi ye na ya ha na hin edo we na me akwa ga na gbite guy e no see no bagi ma a palace a doggy money every money o ni palace ni na moji wa na hina runde we evani ni waru we gwani no rikonpe at least secretary to Oba of Benin the secretary Mr. Rabo wherever anabdo miewe ake miri mani au we akami au akagbeleta gi wo karisi vevi ya fe aido miewe ave ikpelepele rundigo we ya fe runde homage ebela ni ke ade yen sendigo give ani buri okon pene ma mu ya disco ma mu ya restaurant ma mu ya lele ya ma ari lelu we gwa ya wani o mu gwa ni gboto bet mana na dogun yan we lado we would gbe lado ni understand bet here all man mu palace ni gboto here ni mu palace ni gboto understand because the secretary is there egele yaru we gwani a police yavu we gwani a soldier yavu we gwani mani buvu we gwani ma kedo ni obo we gwa wi an lagwa o ka se ekederi maye understand be no mana se keneri maye eri mama sane we devini na wana eti mi ya owe ya fe but ebeni amamo se keno ye yarigo ni yari ekpo ne ekeno he ya mwela uwe gwani aya mu kpia oya bege ikwerie me mai mi